Again of this beach.
Waikiki Beach, yeah.
Waikiki Beach.
Yeah. So that sand, my friends, is from California and Australia. Nice little mixture right there. So people come from California to sit in the sand that's from their own backyard.
Waikiki Beach.
Yeah. Beautiful beach. So it's beautiful. Lots of activities going on out there as well.
It's
And then
a
if you
big
guys-
beach. It's a big beach.
It is a long beach, yes.
Long beach.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right there on the left is eggs and things. If you guys are looking for a wonderful breakfast, eggs and things right there, really delicious. And of course, you got the golden arches right here. They do serve spam there. If you guys are looking for a spam breakfast, they got spam. Spam's pretty tasty. My boys love it.
Is it local food?
What's that?
Is it local food? That means the food of the.
Oh, local food?
Yeah.
Some of it is, yes.
Beautiful beach.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yikes. Well, we're gonna double park here. Maybe.
Hmm?
This guy's.
อ๋อยังไม่นอนก่อนเลยก็
This guy gonna move?
จะดูได้แต่ทะเล เอาวันก่อนที่มาบนเครื่องบินก็มาที่นี่หน้าบีดนี่ก็โรงแรมอย่างดีเขาเป็นศูนย์ท่องเที่ยวจริงๆ Oh, so many people here
I know, right?
waiting for you.
We'll see. I'm picking quite a few from
How many people here you pick?
I believe 9, 2, 4,
Oh.
6,